Hello friends, good afternoon, and I hope everyone is enjoying their Sunday. So I can see that a lot of new members are joining our team, and and our group is becoming bigger and bigger. So now we are almost 500 plus members in the group. So I just wanted to make this quick video to explain about our setups, which is junior KG and senior KG setups. So basically, these are not just a setup; these are basically the strategies. So it is very important for an individual to understand these setups very clearly, the concept of these setups, and then it will be easier for them to take a trade. Or else, without understanding the concept, why there is a junior KG setup and why there is a senior KG setup, you will always be in a confusion, whether to take a entry or not. So so to help all the new members, this is the video I am making, and after like these strategies we have launched. I think junior KG is more than 2 years now, and senior KG is almost I think 7-8 months. So after that we have done a lot of changes in terms of fine tuning the settings so that we can catch the good trends. So first of all, junior KG and senior KG, the name of these strategies, the only logic behind that one was uh, these strategies are so simple and easy to use to any individual. Those strategies are made in a so simple form that any kid who is into junior KG or senior KG can understand and do the trading. So that was the analogy of putting this name behind these strategies. So let's discuss first about the junior KG indicator or a setup. So in junior KG strategy, we use parabolic SAR, EMA as our basic yeah, indicators. So initially we were using different individual those indicators to set up to have this setup, but later then after a lot of help and work from our team member Dinesh, we have developed this indicator which is called as junior KG. So I will show you. If you go to indicator and type junior KG, so then you will get this V7 with my name Mantish E. So you need to select this indicator. Yeah. So the settings for this indicator is for parabolic it is 0.03, 0.03 and zero point 0.2, 8 EMA and 8, 18 and 13 EMA. So basically these are the EMS for the 8 EMA to 18 EMA crossover is our entry, and 13 EMA when it closes below 13 EMA, so we will get a sell signal on the indicator. So this is just a very simple indicator. You don't need to use multiple indicators. If you select this one indicator, it is incorporated of all those multiple indicators, and it will give you the uh, you know buy or a sell. So basically, if you see here, this is a chart of Gati, and here you see the green dot. So green dot is the first indication on the indicator when you get a very early stage indication that this stock is now in a buy zone. So this green dot will come whenever there will be a buy on the parabolic SAR. So this is a very early indication to either to keep this stock in your watch list or to take a entry. So this will just give you a very early stage indication. So here if you see that volumes are very good, there is a very good bullish candle, so you already got the indication. So basically Jr.Kg is a indicator which is very conservative in terms of trading. It gives you a very safe entries with a low risk. So if you see here, you will get the uh, uh, when you get a green dot, so that is the first indication. The parabolic SIR is telling you the stock is now in a buy zone. So you can put this one into your watch list. Once this price closes above this line, which is this orange line, which is 200 EMA, when decisively it closes above this, then this red line will cross above the zero and it will turn green color. So that is basically the first time when it will come into your charting scanner, and that time you can decide whether to take or take a entry or no. So example, if I want to give you, so see, if you see here, this from 26th of September 2022, the stock is in a complete red line. In between there were blue dots, red dots, but it never crossed above zero, and this line didn't turn green. This is the first time when the line turned green and closed above zero. So that means if you see, the price is closed above 200. So this is one of the very good setup now, which is very low risk. So if you enter in this stock, so your exit will be as soon as the price closes below this 200 EMA. So your risk may be like 2 to 3% of your risk, and if the trade goes in the upward direction, so your risk reward will be very good. So that is where you will take a entry. Secondly, this red dot, when this red dot comes, so basically the red dot will come when parabolic SIR will give you the sell signal. So if you see here, there is a red dot, but still the line is green and above zero. So red dot means that is the first indication of sell. So which will give you an indication that there is a selling pressure is coming in the stock. So if you see this Raymond chart, from here the stock has already rallied from here to here. So almost 33% stock has rallied, and after that you got a red dot. So this is the first indication that now the stock is the weakness is coming in the stock. So you can, at this stage, after 33%, you can decide whether to sell 25% or whether to sell 50% or to hold on the 100% and see how the stock performs. And this is the day when the stock gave you the complete sell signal, which is on 16th of May. So if you see this, the line closed below zero and the line turned red. So here you can close your complete position. But here if you see, the red dot and the line turned red on the same day. So that means there is no prior indication. It was like straight away it is telling you that sell the 100% position. There is no need to wait, so that is the indication of the Jr.Kg setup. So this is a quick introduction about the Jr.Kg indicator or a setup. So now let quickly see the Sr.Kg setup. So in Sr.Kg setup we use multiple indicators. The first one is the AMA. So AMA is basically this indicator, adaptive moving average indicator. Author is Everget, and in this the settings what you need to use is 40, 4 and 20. So this is the setting you need to change. The default setting will be something else, but just make a note of this. These settings you need to change, 40, 4 and 20. Another indicator which we are using is RSI. So earlier we used to use two RSIs, two RSIs, and then we used to merge both the RSIs and make it as one indicator. But one of the group member has developed this indicator, so that rather than using two different RSIs, there is only one indicator he has created, which is called as dual RSI. Dual RSI. Yeah, so if you select this indicator, so this will be here. Initial uh, default setting will be something else, so you need to change it to 18 and 100. So, and then you can change the color of the lines depending upon whatever the color you want to select, but the setting has to be 18 and 20. But sometimes I use 14 and 100 also, depending upon the market situation, to catch some stocks which are coming in the early stage. But when the market is trending, uh, so that time I think 118 is the good setup, because if you will use 14, then you will have very long list of stocks in your charting. So 18 and 100 is the first choice, and if somebody want to catch some good stocks a little bit early, then they can change it to 14 and 100 as well. So these are the two indicators which we use. So basically here how the setup works. So now you need to make one thing very clear is you can't mix and match both the setups together, like taking a entry with a junior kg and then exiting with senior kg, or yeah, so you can't do that one. So you need to decide first which setup you are going to use. Either you are going to use junior kg or senior kg for entry. Yeah, so let's say example here you are seeing a Raymond chart. One good thing is in senior KG setup you will get the entry at a very early stage, and let me tell you guys, the senior KG setup is much more aggressive setup. So here you will be entering at a early stage, and then you will get a very good trend, and you will get a good chance to get out of the trade with a good profits. So say like example, this is a Raymond chart. So this is the day when you got the entry. If you see here, there is a decisively the price has closed above AMA line, and the AMA line was red, and here it turned to navy blue color, and the decisively the price has closed above the AMA line. But if you see here, still the crossover has not happened here yet. So but if I change this one to 14, so if you see here, you will get the crossover is already done here. So it's something you need to decide what to do. But okay, even though if it is 18, so you will get the entry next day. Say like example, this stock has come, and next day you get a crossover. Yeah, so next day you will enter it here, and your SL will be, as soon as the price closes below the AMA, you will exit. So your entry is here, and then your exit is, till now you don't have the exit, because if you see from here the price is gone up, then there was a pullback, and then the stock is still above, trading above the AMA line, and now your trade is at at the gain of 31%, 31.57%. Your trade is in profit, and you are sitting with a peace of mind. You really don't need to every day bother about whether I should exit, whether I should exit. If you see that there was a pullback happening, the stock came, took a support of AMA, and then the stock a little bit consolidated in this zone, and then the upward journey started. So until and unless the stock decisively closes below AMA, you are not going to um, exit. Just sit tightly. Even though if you see on a junior KG, you are getting a sell signal here and here, but you have taken the entry as per the senior KG, and senior KG has not given you the sell signal. So just hold it tightly. Second, what you can do, say like example, you entered here as per the senior KG setup. Yeah, and here on this day you got the junior KG also gave you a buy signal. So this is a double confirmation to you that stock is really now into momentum. So here you can go and add a good quantity or a second tranche of your capital, so that you can enjoy a good trend upward movement. Yeah. So that is how you need to place your trades. Second, one thing very important, friends, you need to keep it in mind. We are trying to play a momentum and a swing, so we want to catch the stock at the swing, yeah, not at the breakout. See, somebody want to play a breakout strategy, then that is a breakout strategy is entirely different. But here we are trying to catch a swing is what, from here to here there was a very strong up move in the stock, then there was a consolidation, then there was a strong pullback. So stock from here to here, the stock came almost 32% down. So this is the swing. So this is a swing low happened, and then from here when the stock is coming back into the momentum, we will just at that moment will catch the stock and we will enjoy this entire rally. So that what will happen, our risk is very very minimum. So to make sure that we need to catch the stock when the AMA line is near to the 200 EMA. So this orange line is 200 EMA. Our price of the stock is near to the AMA line. And then one more indicator which we use is 30-week moving average to understand the stage of the stock. So that it will that probably I will explain even some other time. So at this moment we will not consider that one, because if I consider then it will become little bit the video will become too long. But just let's focus on um, the setups. Yeah, so always keep it in mind, the AMA line should be as much as possible closer to the 200 EMA, and the stock price is closer to the 200 EMA. Then we will get a very good low risk setup with a good upward trend. So same thing like here, if you see Gati's chart. Yeah, so still Junior KG has not given us any buy signal, but Senior KG has already given us the buy signal on this candle here, and now there is a very good candle with a good uh, bullish candle here, and the stock is with a very good consolidation. So similarly, example this quiz, if you see here, see, Senior KG has given you a buy signal on this day here, yeah, almost here on this candle, and from here, so on this day there was a red candle, so definitely you will take a position on the next day. So from here to here, so stock is already 22%, in a upward movement, and now Junior KG also has given you the buy signal. So definitely you can go and add your good chunk of position at this stage, and then the stock will see upward movement. So now if you see here, there is a this swing position is also coming up. So definitely you need to watch for this level, and if this level is broken, which is around 458, then you really don't have any resistance till here, which is 640. So there you can expect a very good risk reward. But if you have taken a position as per the Senior KG, so already you are in a 22% gains sitting right now. Yeah. So similarly like this, you need to make a decision and take the positions. So like example, if I want to share this one stock, so see here, this stock has already given you a buy signal at this level, yeah, which is 640, and from 640 already now the stock is almost 26% up. And after like you got the first Senior KG entry on 28th of April, and on 22nd of June Junior KG also gave a buy. So you can have a double confirmation and enter your capital, so that you will get a good risk to reward ratio. Relaxo also, if you see, when you got the entry this day, 20th of March, and now the stock is already from here to here, already 15-16% the stock is up. So this is how you need to play your entries and exits. If I want to show you the exit of any stock, This is one. If you see here, Indian hotel, if you will enter it here and you will sit tightly till here, 20%. At the 20%, you see this very strong red candle closed decisively below AMA line. You will enter it here at a 20% gain. Yeah, and after that, the stock is just in a consolidation. So, very clear entry and exit signals you need to follow. Yeah. So this is a quick video, guys. Just make some practice, and if you have any queries or any confusion, then keep up. You can post your queries in the group. I will help you to clarify those queries. Thank you, guys. Take care. Bye.